CafePress is a popular online marketplace that allows artists, designers, and small businesses to create and sell customized products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. The platform offers a wide range of products that can be personalized with various designs, images, and text. How can you make money online with CafePress in 2024? Here are some ways to monetize your creativity on CafePress. 1. Design and sell custom products. Create unique designs using CafePress's online design tools and upload them to the platform. Sell your products to customers who want to customize their own items. 2. Become an affiliate. Promote CafePress's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. 3. Start a store. Open your own online store on CafePress and sell your own products or curate products from other designers. 4. Sell digital products. Offer digital products such as printable art, stickers, or even ebooks, which can be sold directly on CafePress. 5. Participate in contests and promotions. CafePress regularly runs contests and promotions that can help you earn money and gain visibility for your designs. 6. Offer custom orders. Provide custom design services for customers who want unique products with specific designs or text. 7. Utilize social media. Promote your CafePress designs and products on social media platforms to drive traffic and sales. Tips for success on CafePress. 1. Create high-quality designs. Ensure your designs are unique, well-designed, and appealing to potential customers. 2. Optimize your product listings. Use relevant keywords and descriptions to improve visibility in search results. 3. Build a strong online presence. Utilize social media and email marketing to promote your designs and products. 4. Engage with customers. Respond to customer feedback and reviews to build trust and loyalty.